Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Square Invoices, Invoice Maker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Square Invoices is a digital invoicing app designed to help businesses send professional invoices, track payments, and manage client billing with ease. Built by Square, it integrates seamlessly with their payment ecosystem, allowing users to accept card payments, set up recurring invoices, and automate reminders without extra effort. It's available on both iOS and Android and works well for freelancers, small business owners, and service providers who rely on fast and reliable payment processing. The app's main feature is its simple invoice creation tool. You can add items, taxes, discounts, and payment options in minutes. Users can also track whether clients have viewed, paid, or ignored an invoice. Additional features include deposit requests, digital receipts, saved customer profiles, and integration with Square's POS and business tools for full financial management. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, quick setup, and reliable payment tracking. The ability to send invoices through email or shareable links makes it convenient for independent workers. Automatic reminders and real-time payment notifications help users stay organized and reduce missed payments. However, there are some drawbacks. Square charges processing fees for card payments, which some users find expensive for smaller businesses. A few people also mention delays in fund transfers or account verification. Offline features are limited, and its advanced tools require connecting to the broader Square ecosystem, which may not suit everyone. In summary, the Square Invoices app may be worth using if you want a simple, fast, and professional invoicing solution with built-in payment processing and automated tracking. However, if you prefer lower transaction fees or need advanced accounting features, alternative platforms might fit you better. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.